no other candidate can become chief minister. साधे इक्वेशन पयली चिंतपाची गरज आहा. आनी पणजेकारांक अशेंय खबर आहा की इट इज बेटर टू वोट फॉर अ कॅन्डिडेट हू इज मेड इन पेंजीम रेदर देन अ लास्ट मिनिट इम्पोर्ट. मांडवींतल्यान जर कजिनो काडटा जाल्यार कजिनो आमी काडटात. कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामान आहा. काँग्रेस पार्टी कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम कॉपी करता. हाजे खातीर तांकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक तांणी कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम कॉपी केल्लो आहा.
Casino is really an issue in Panjim election.
I don't think so. I don't think so. That is why maybe Manoj Parrikar has not said anything about it. But if it is an issue, it is an issue for Goa.
And it is very clear. I have given a clear indication to all my workers, whoever supported me in my last election, that we should wholeheartedly support Mr. Manoj. Mr. Manoj Parrikar has not told me to campaign for him at all. But if he asks me to campaign, definitely I would. And as I said earlier, Mr. Manoj Parrikar doesn't need anyone to campaign for him in Benji. Mr. Manoj Parrikar himself is basically a man of stature. See, I would like to tell you. See, I lost an election last time for a simple reason. I believe now is that Mr. Manoj Parrikar went around telling the people of Benji that he will be coming back to Goa. So I am making Siddharth to contest here so that he will vacate the seat from. So on that assurance actually, Siddharth was elected. I feel so that this is the way how I look at my elections. So now, as Mr. Manoj Parrikar has come back, so I am sure that he is going to get overwhelming support. By the margin what he used to win. I think last two elections he won by a margin of more than I think 5,000 odd votes in two elections. I think the same margin of much more than that he should get. He is in a position now, and he has seen the difficulties what the people of Panjim are facing. And as I was reading a newspaper today itself that there were certain issues which he mentioned. Main issue is not the casinos actually. I look at it. The main issue is the parking is the issue.